I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Ford Fiesta seat lever. Start by loosening the mounting bolts and inspecting the lever mechanism for obvious damage. Remove trim panels carefully to avoid breaking clips and note screw locations. Clean moving parts with penetrating oil and test lever travel before ordering parts. If needed, source OEM clips or a replacement lever and reassemble in reverse order while testing adjustment and safety features. Begin by reclining and moving the seat while observing the lever, cables, and springs. Listen for grinding or slipping that indicates stripped gears or a failed ratchet. Inspect the cable for frays and ensure the end fittings are secure in their mounts. Check for bent linkages or missing retaining clips that prevent proper engagement. These simple checks pinpoint whether you need a repair kit, a cable, or a full lever replacement. Begin by sliding the seat to its extremes and removing mounting bolts to gain access safely. Carefully pry off trim panels, keeping track of clips and screws, and disconnect any electrical plugs. Remove the old lever or cable assembly and inspect mating parts for wear before installing the new component. Lubricate pivot points, reconnect everything, torque bolts to spec, and perform repeated function tests to confirm smooth operation and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.